Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to download and install Wispr AI. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so the best way to do this is to open up a web browser and go to wisprflow.ai. Be careful of the spelling, it is WISPRFLOW.ai. Now once we're here, we've got a couple of different options. We want to go ahead and click on the download for Windows, or you can try Android. So I'm on a Windows computer, so I'm going to click on download for Windows. Now from here, it's going to open up a new page and start downloading. But I've already downloaded this, so I'm just going to cancel this. And then once it finishes downloading, go ahead and run it for the first time. Then you're going to have to click on OK on the new window. Now you might get this, so Windows protect your PC. So I'm just going to go ahead and click on run anyway. Now it's going to minimize all this stuff. Now on the next page here, or pop-up, it's going to say getting Wispr ready. So this may take up to 30 seconds. So let that run its course. Okay, so from here, we want to go ahead and sign up or sign in, depending what you're using. So I'm going to click on sign in via browser. All right, says here you are now logged in. You can close this window. So I'm going to go ahead and click on open Wispr. Click on open Wispr and come back to Wispr here. Then from here, just go through these tabs here. So welcome tutorial. So I'm just click other, or this one here, and then educator, click OK. So just click all this stuff here for permissions and sign up. So I'm just going to continue, and then yep, select language, so English, continue. Now what do you want to learn? So do the buttons turn purple while pressing them? Go and click on no or yes. Yeah, so basically go through these tabs, and then once you've done it, you're going to be on the main page of Wispr.